The fuck is that?
No idea. What is that? You guys see that shit? What the hell, man?
I don't know.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
Weird. Hey, do you see that?
It's like some Area 51 shit.
Weird.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Dude, that's kind of creepy. Dude, I don't like that. That's creepy
What
as
the
hell.
fuck is going on right here?
Dude, I don't know. That sucks. That's creepy. Oh my god. There's more now.
What the hell is going on? I'm kind of scared right now.
There's like more and more. Like,
what the fuck is going on? This is scary.
like Mars Attacks, dude. I saw that movie.
Whoa, shit. What the fuck was that?
Oh God, you guys see something